video inspection of the Doosan Lynx 220 with an OITC control. We are going to manually go through the process. So X-axis, Z-axis, I'm about a foot away from the turret. Very quiet. This is coming out of a prototyping shop. Tailstock. Collet, 5C collet in there right now. Tool touch off. And that's a parts catcher and the parts catching box. Okay, you want to run the RPM? We're going to just cycle through the RPMs. Is there a chuck with this or just the collet closure? Okay, this is a 1000 RPM. And there is a 3-jaw chuck for it.
This is 2000.
2000? 2000 RPM?
$3,000.
3000 RPM. Super quiet.
4,000.
4000 RPM. 5000 RPM. Oh, 4500 RPM. Sorry. Okay. And there's the brake. Thank you. Yeah, excellent.